everybody. I am back to do another video. This is my second attempt to record this video. This bag has already been unwrapped because I have attempted to do the video, and obviously I have had so many different things and trying to get the video recorded that I am redoing it once again. So I'm not going to go through all the unboxing. It's already been done. We're just going to go ahead and open up and share with what I have and attempt to do the video that way. So if you're new here, we truly appreciate you coming by and sharing with me. And for everybody who has been with me throughout the beginning, thank you for returning. And I appreciate you all. All right, without further ado, I am going to go ahead and share what I have. You guys, this is something that I already have, and I told you guys I would be getting another one. So it's almost like it was too good to be true. So I got another one. Before I jump in, I did want to share my current bag. And let me move this over. I am currently carrying the Lana in the regular size. She is a big girl, as you can see, and she is truly a workhorse. I love this color, and yeah, she packs a punch. And I am showing her because I will be taking what's in here and putting it in my new bag. So I'm just going to set her over to the side. All right, if you think you know what I got, let me know in the comment section what you think I might have in this bag, and tell me why you think I got this bag. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look. Like I said, I've already unwrapped her, so that should be the easy part. This should be a quick video. So let's go ahead and jump into her. All right, so if you don't know, now you know. I got let me go ahead and get her out. The Slouchy Green Olive Rogue. You guys, in silver hardware. She did come fully wrapped, gift wrapped might I say. Like I said, I've already attempted to make this video, so this is the second go around. So she is fully unwrapped for you guys. She is in this beautiful olive green top handle Slouchy Rogue. She comes with 2 hang tags. Again, the 1941 hang tag with the tan or tag, as well as this black and silver hardware. I can't remember what this is called. Corset, something to that effect. I can't think. Then she has a top handle. She can be carried like so. Also, in order to open her, she does have feet, silver feet, as you can see. She is in the genuine full grain leather. On the back, she has a zipper compartment here, and it is pretty deep. It can hold a cell phone. It does have a cloth inside the pocket with silver hardware for this particular zipper. On the inside, and let's go ahead and open her. And a lot of people were complaining about how she opens, you guys. As you can see, she does have that push tag. Now, I have explained to people before with the previous bag I have, in order to have an easy way of closing this, you have to have the bag with something in it. If you're trying to close it and it's empty, then yes, you are going to have a difficult time. So let's go ahead and get into her. She does have a crossbody strap in silver hardware as well. It has the average 7 hose to adjust. I have seen some people adjust this and add additional hose so that they can carry it as a shoulder. I won't be doing that. Then let's go ahead and get her unstuffed, because you know, Coach, they're going to stuff the bag like so. Sit her over to the side. And what I love about this Rogue, you guys, which if you have a Rogue, you know it's because it's leather. This bag is fully leathered inside and out. That's what I love. She's one gaping big hole. Inside, she does have another pocket, the length of the bag. And again, you have that canvas inside. That is the only place you would have that materials inside the pocket. For the most part, everything is leather. Here is the tags if anyone is interested in it. Again, she is a Slouchy Rogue Top Handle. And again, the color is olive. Okay. There is no additional pockets on this side. Again, she has that silver hardware with the Coach engraved on it. You have the silver buttons here as well with the Coach logo. And again, she has a silver stamp here. So again, you guys, this bag is simply a bag that can put a lot. So notice that I do not have anything in here currently. So now there is a difficult piece of trying to close her. But this bag is not, it's too big to be empty. You have to put something in it. So you would have to hold the bag and push down on it like so. If she's empty, that's going to cause it. But I'm going to go ahead and put something in her and fill her up so that you guys can see. Now, I have on my other bag, I have removed these and put them on the side and just kept this here. It's just a lot going on here. Again, it's your preference. You do what you want to do. But yeah, let's go ahead and pull up Honey so you can kind of see my other bag that has been carried. Honey has been carried and used, and I love her. But again, like I said, you guys, I got this bag because I love the bag. Now, Honey is only available on Amazon. I have not seen her on Coach at all or anywhere else. So I'm going to put the green one here and set Honey here. You've seen the video. If you haven't seen the video, this is my original one. And like I said, I got her from Amazon. She is in Coach hardware, gold hardware. Sorry, you guys. And again, it's the same thing. It's just gold hardware and it's in Honey. And as you can see, I have put the tag here and these on the side. And I'm going to do the same for the green one. Now, a lot of people are complaining about this particular piece on this one. It's because they expected, per the stock pictures, it showed it would be this light color on this one. But it's not a big deal for me. Again, this is just an additional accessory piece. It's not used for anything, so it doesn't really matter. But I guess to some people, to each his own. So again, I got her in Honey. And again, I got her first. If you're looking for Honey, like I said, it's Amazon. I have not seen her be available since then. SA did say these bags are limited edition. So I don't know how much longer they'll be available. It does come in Honey, Olive, Merlot, and Black. And I do know Coach has the Olive, Merlot, and Black. This was purchased at the release, which was on October the 1st. So I'm just now getting to her to open because I've been busy. All right, let's go ahead and jump into comparison. The comparison. Now, the last time I compared the Empire 28, which is very similar in size comparison and height. Just to give you a quick review again, this is my Empire 28. I don't know what I got out of had it sitting on the floor, but in Merlot. So, but there is one additional bag that I wanted to share with you guys as far as the comparison. That if you don't have an Empire, then this makes more sense to compare. I have the Quilted Tabby 33. She's a big girl. She is literally the same length as the top Rogue. Here you go. Slouchy Rogue. Same length. When you look at the width, same thing. So she is a good comparison. The only difference is the Rogue has a just open compartment inside. It does not have the divider like the Tabby 33. Although it is very roomy and spacious in the Tabby 33, you still have that divider, whereas the Slouchy Rogue does not. But if you want to compare a bag with length, height, and still being able to put a lot in the Tabby, that would be another option to compare as far as bag wise, you guys. So I wanted to bring something different because I know I compared the Empire the last time, but if you take a look, like I said, the same width, this just has a divider inside. Okay, let's get into what can fit in this bag, and then I will be done because like I said, I wanted to do a quick video, nothing long. In my current bag that I'm carrying, I'm going to go ahead and remove everything in here and put in this bag so you can see how spacious this bag is. So I have my Do Me and Burke wristlet. This is what I keep all of my electronic AirPods, cords, chargers, and whatnot in here. Okay, so this is my little gadget bag that I carry around. Put her in there. Okay. I have my wallet that carries my keys and key fob by Coach. Have my wristlet that I carry my loose cash with. This is the current one that I'm carrying. She's become one of my favorite. I have my crystal wallet, essential wallet that keeps all my cards in. I love this little wallet. She is also one of my favorites. Just putting them in and taking everything out of the bag. I have my essential wallet. My essential bag. This is one that I keep all of my Tylenol, lip gloss, hand sanitizer, mirror, lotion, deodorant, little knickknacks that I tend to carry on a daily basis. And she's pretty big, but she is going to fit in here, you guys. I'm sorry. Put her in like so. And then put my bracelet in. So far, this is what's in here. And as you can see, I still have plenty of space here. So she does pack. And the last thing, well, there's two things. I have my comb. My comb I want to put in as well because I'm carrying her. And then my iPad. Yes. Now, would I carry my iPad every day in here? No, but I wanted to show you that it does fit. Okay. So I'm going to put my iPad in like so. And you're like, holy moly, is it going to close? So currently, like I said, this is all the items that I currently have in this bag. And you still see there's still room in here. Things are moving around. So it's very spacious. Now that I have everything in here, the issue that everyone was stating this bag has as far as closure is no longer an issue. So if you take a look, I am going to go ahead and close the bag. And there is no issue. As you can see, you heard it click and lock. So this bag is meant to carry items in, not to carry it as an empty bag. Now, with it being full like that, is it slouchy? No, as far as that goes. So I would definitely can take out my iPad and whatnot. But I just wanted to show you it packs a punch and it carries quite a few things. So if I wanted to carry her like that, I could. Now, most of these things in here is I carry every day. So not more than likely I would have those items in that bag. But again, there's no issue in closing it now that I have items in the bag. So again, you guys, I wanted to come and share. You guys knew I was going to get this bag because of the silver hardware. But again, this color is gorgeous. It is one of my favorites. And again, I do have it in the honey as well with gold hardware. So tell me, you guys, is this something that you thought that I would get? Now, you guys do probably are saying, well, you have the liner in this color. Yes, but the liner is used for something totally different. This is considered like an everyday bag. I'm using my liner as like a work bag. So it's totally different the way I would be using it. But please share with me and tell me your thoughts on this. Did you think that this was the bag that I would get? Did you get one of these bags? Do you like it? Are you one of those ones that didn't like the way it closed? If so, what color did you get? And how are you liking it? I love that it's an all leather bag, which is one of the things that have won me. And also, have you guys heard that they're bringing the Rogues back because of their anniversary for in 2026 that we'll be celebrating? I heard that through the grapevine. So tell me if you've heard that. Other than that, I will be back soon to share another video. I know I've been off, but again, it's been a busy last 2 weeks. So Thank you again for stopping by and coming to, spend a little time with me. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I will be seeing you guys soon. Bye bye.